start here to be able to survey some of the damage after this bomb cyclone just unleashed some severe winds. You see what it did there, knocking down trees. Some homes are destroyed, but the wind threat is still very much alive. You can hear there how strong that wind is. We know that 5 people have died as a result of this storm so far, and there is torrential rain from the storm that's causing some widespread flooding now. We know also that the third wave, so to speak, of this storm is yet to come.